Good day everyone! In this presentation, our group will discuss the financial performance analysis of three major energy companies in the Philippines: Aboitiz Power Corporation, Citicorp Renewable Energy Corporation, and Manila Electric Company. Our goal is to evaluate their profitability, efficiency, revenue trends, and financial risk based on key financial ratios such as profit margin, return on assets, return on equity, and current ratio. By analyzing these indicators, we can better understand how each company manages its resources, generates profit, and maintain financial stability. This comparison will also highlight how the energy sector is evolving, especially with growing importance of renewable energy in today's economy.
I'll be discussing the profitability and financial efficiency of the three companies, which are the Citicorp Renewable Energy Corporation, Aboitiz Power Corporation, and Manila Electric Company. Let's look at which company is the most profitable. Among the three, Citicorp Renewable Energy Corporation stands out as the most profitable, with an average profit margin of 58.80% over the 5-year period. This figure is much higher than Aboitiz Power's, which only have 13.52%, and Meralco's 7.75%. Citicorp's strong profitability indicates effective cost control, efficient energy production, and a focus on renewable projects that yield higher returns. Meanwhile, Aboitiz Power Corporation maintained a decent profit margin of 13.52%, reflecting solid operations and consistent returns. Although not as high as Citicorp's, this still suggests that the company manages its expenses well. On the other hand, Manila Electric Company or Meralco had the lowest profit margin at 7.75%. This is expected since Meralco operates as a regulated electricity distributor, meaning its prices are closely monitored by the government, and as a result, even with its large revenue, its profit margin remains relatively conservative. Moving on to financial efficiency, which we measured using return on assets or ROA and return on equity, which is ROE. Once again, Citicorp Renewable Energy Corporation performs strongly with a ROA of 11.77% and an ROE of 18.72%. This means Citicorp is very effective in using its assets and equity to generate profit, showing that its resources are being utilized efficiently despite the capital-intensive nature of energy generation. Aboitiz Power Corporation follows with a ROI of 4.51% and an ROE of 10.69%. These values show moderate efficiency. The company delivers steady returns but could still improve asset productivity through modernization or optimization efforts. Interestingly, Manila Electric Company records the highest ROE at 22.80%, meaning it provides the strongest equity returns to its shareholders. However, its ROA of 5.46% reveals that these high returns might be driven more by financial leverage rather than pure operational efficiency. In other words, Meralco's higher shareholder gains may come with slightly higher financial risk. In summary, Citicorp leads in both profitability and overall efficiency. Aboitiz Power remains stable and consistent, while Meralco shows strong shareholder returns but with a more conservative operational profile. That's all for today. Thank you for listening.
So I'll be discussing how did the revenues trend over time, growth or decline. All three companies experienced revenue growth from 2020 to 2024, showing how the energy sector continues to expand in the Philippines. Aboitiz Power Corporation showed strong growth from 110.3 billion to 302.8 billion. proving its ability to stay competitive even with a slight decline in 2024. Citicorp Renewable Energy Corporation had the most impressive growth, rising from only 269 million to 5.3 billion, showing how renewable energy is becoming more popular and profitable. Meanwhile, Manila Electric Company or Meralco showed steady improvement from 16.1 million to 46.4 million, reflecting its stable operation and loyal customer base despite market challenges. Overall, the data shows that each company continues to grow, but different speed depending on their business, focus, and market conditions. The other one is what financial risks are visible. AGW current ratio. Citicorp Renewable Energy Corporation shows excellent liquidity with a very high current ratio of 445.66%, meaning it can easily pay its short-term debts. However, this might also suggest that the company is not fully maximizing its assets for expansion or investment. Aboitiz Power Corporation has a healthy ratio of 189.54%, showing it can meet short-term obligation while still using its assets efficiently. Manila Electric Company or Meralco with a ratio of 115.85% still meets the standard but the weakest liquidity among the three. This means it operates with tighter cash flow and could face more financial pressure if unexpected expenses arise. Overall, Meralco carries the most liquidity risk, while Citicorp appears the most financially secure but possibly less aggressive in reinvestment.
Overall, Citicorp Renewable Energy Corporation stands out as the strongest performer among the three. It recorded the highest profit margin and demonstrated efficient use of both assets and equity, supported by exceptionally strong liquidity. Aboitiz Power showed steady profitability and solid financial stability, though with more moderate efficiency. Meanwhile, Meralco displayed the highest returns to equity holders, but its lower profit margin and tighter liquidity reflect the limitations of operating as a regulated utility. In terms of revenue growth, all companies expanded over the 5-year period, with Citicorp showing the most rapid growth driven by the increasing demand for renewable energy. And that's it for our short report for the financial statement of Citicorp Renewable Energy Corporation, Aboitiz Power Corporation, and Manila Electric Company in the span of year 2020 to year 2024.